Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn common collocations with the word side. These expressions are used in everyday English and will help you sound more natural and fluent. Let's explore their meanings and see how native speakers use them in real situations. The word side can mean different things. It can be a surface or edge, like in "the house has a garden on the left side." It can mean someone's position next to another person. He stood by her side during the ceremony. It also means a team or group in a conflict. Which side are you on in this debate? In food, it is a dish served with the main course. I'll have a burger with a side of fries. It can also mean an aspect or perspective. Let's look at the positive side of the situation. The word side appears in many common collocations. We talk about the left side or right side and people standing side by side. It can mean a perspective, like the positive side or the flip side. In conflicts, you take sides or side with someone. In food, we order a side dish or a side of fries. You'll also hear expressions like side effects, side street, side business, or even a side glance. Left side, the left part of something. The bank is on the left side of the street. Right side, the right part of something. Write your name on the right side of the page. Other side, the opposite side. The supermarket is on the other side of the road. Far side, the more distant side. We sat on the far side of the room. Near side, the closer side. The bus stopped on the near side of the junction. Both junction and intersection refer to a place where roads meet. Junction is more common in British English, especially in road signs and motorway directions, while intersection is more common in American English. In most everyday situations, they can refer to the same thing. Example: turn left at the next junction. Turn right at the next intersection. Take the motorway and leave at junction 10. The post office is on the near side of the bridge. There's a petrol station on the near side of the crossroads. By someone's side, next to someone. She stayed by her mother's side all day. Side by side, next to each other. The two houses stand side by side. Positive side, the good aspect. Look on the positive side. We learned something. Negative side, the bad aspect. The negative side is that it costs a lot. Lighter side, the more humorous aspect. The film shows the lighter side of school life. Darker side, the more serious or bad aspect. The documentary explores the darker side of fame. Side dish, food served with the main dish. Rice is served as a side dish. I ordered chicken with a side of rice. Side salad, a small salad served with a meal. I ordered a burger with a side salad. The sandwich comes with a side salad. Would you like fries or a side salad with that? The steak comes with a side of vegetables. Side of fries. A serving of fries served with a meal. I'll take a side of fries, please. She had fish with a side of fries. Side order. A dish ordered to accompany the main dish. Can I have a side order of onion rings? I'd like a burger and a side order of onion rings. We'll take a side order of onion rings for the table. Side effects. Unwanted effects of a medicine. This medicine may cause side effects. Side street. A small street connected to a main road. The cafe is on a side street. Side business. An additional business. She runs a side business from home. Side door. A door at the side of a building. Please use the side door. Side glance. A quick look from the corner of the eye. He gave me a side glance. Side issue. A less important topic. Let's not get distracted by side issues. Flip side. The opposite side or aspect of something. The flip side is that you'll have more free time. Flip side. The opposite or less obvious aspect of a situation. The job pays well, but the flip side is the long hours. You'll earn more money. The flip side is that you'll have less free time. Take sides. Support one group or person. I don't want to take sides. Choose sides. Decide which group to support. You have to choose sides. On my side, supporting me. Thanks for being on my side. On your side, supporting you. I'm on your side. On his side, supporting him. Nobody was on his side. Switch sides. Change allegiance. He switched sides during the argument. Side with someone. Support someone in a disagreement. She sided with her friend. Before we finish, let's review some of the most common collocations with side. We use side by side when two people or things are next to each other. If someone supports you, they are on your side. When people are in a disagreement, you may take sides and support one person or group. Side effects are unwanted effects of a medicine or treatment.
Finally, we often say look on the positive side to focus on the good aspects of a situation. A very similar expression is on the bright side, which we use to introduce something positive in an otherwise difficult or disappointing situation. The bright side means the positive or good part of a situation, especially when something unpleasant or difficult has happened. People use this expression to focus on the advantages, opportunities, or good results instead of the problems. It is often used in the phrase, look on the bright side, which means trying to stay optimistic and see the positive aspects of a situation. I missed my flight, but on the bright side, I got to spend an extra day with my friends.
As a final review, think about how often these expressions appear in everyday conversations. Someone might say, "Are you on my side?" when they want support during an argument.
Another person may reply, "I'm on your side," or "I'm on your side, I know." When people disagree, you may hear, "So you're on his side, I'm on their side," or "Mickey, she's on our side." It's also common to ask, "Why do you always take his side?" when someone seems to support the same person every time.
And if a situation isn't going well, we often look for something positive and say, "But on the bright side," before mentioning a good thing that came out of it.
Keep studying, keep practicing, and remember that every new word you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. Learning English takes time and effort, but on the bright side, every lesson makes you stronger, more confident, and better prepared to communicate in the real world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.